Listen, listen. You know how I feel about you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I have something that's really cool that I want to show you guys. I know you guys love when I do my Apple unboxing. So for Boxing Day, I actually got myself an Apple Watch for Christmas. I got myself the Apple Watch SE. It's the 2nd generation. So we're just gonna open it quickly for you guys. I wanted an Apple Watch. Actually, to be honest, I didn't really want an Apple Watch this year or last year. I always thought it was kind of pointless. I didn't really think I had a use for it, but now I just really wanted one. Like, it was just something that was on my wish list. So I got it from the source. They had it on sale. This is the 44mm Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. It's also just the GPS version, not the cellular, because I'm not putting myself through another bill. Not for Apple, baby. I already paid too much. So originally this is $369, but the source had it on sale for literally one day, for what, 24 hours, for $319.99 for the size that I wanted. 40mm one was $279.99, but I said if I'm gonna spend the money, I might as well buy something that I really want, and this is the size that I wanted. I am so excited to show you guys this watch. I already have my little accessories to go with it. Obviously, I'm gonna get more, and if I do, I will update you guys on my Instagram, so you guys can go ahead and follow that. But let's get into the unboxing. Let us get started. So this is the band that it comes with. This is Midnight Black. Here she is. Very nice, very cute. I am so excited. So this is the actual Apple Watch. Ooh, okay, that's not satisfying. I know I'm not supposed to do that. So as you can see, I got it in the Midnight Black. Comes with the charger, and I believe there's instructions. This is just how to set it up. So we're not gonna put it on to this band. We're actually gonna put on to the one that I bought. Cute blingy cases. They have little like fake rhinestones around it just to make it pop. So I am excited for that. So this pack actually came with two. Came with this cute little band and this one as well. I think I'm just gonna throw this band on for right now, just because I'm about to head into work. Maybe it has to be set up with the original band, so we're actually just gonna put it on here. Save this for later. One thing about me is I'm gonna grab my exacto knife. So it has two bands. There's one for medium, large, and there's small to medium. How am I supposed to get you out of here? Am I supposed to pop it, or please give me the band? Attach the band, slide until you hear a click. Okay, I heard a click. There we go. It's a pretty big face. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Bring up iPhone near watch. Delete data watch. Oh, it came up. Okay. Apple Watch. And set up. Hold. Okay, so you have to put it in the camera now. Okay, now it's paired. So we have this little thing going on. So we're gonna put it on our left, just because I'm right-handed. What it is, so it's saying like the 44mm blah 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 aluminum. And while that does that, I'm just gonna throw it on, see how it fits on my wrist. This is an expensive ass watch, not me about to break it. Okay. A little loose, but I have a watch. There we go. So now it's like that. If you guys can't tell, I'm very excited. Every time I get like a new Apple product, I get so excited. Truly, I really want to like try out all the features. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll probably like review some of it, like the sleeping aspect. All right, so now it's asking me to put bold text and size, and actually shows me on the Apple Watch at the same time as I'm setting it up, like how it's going to look. So if I want the text bigger, we're gonna do just like medium. I don't want to have to be like squinting when I look at it. Do I want bold? We're gonna do bold. This is a big face. Like, this is actually so cool. When Apple had released it and they had like the huge press conference, they talked about the safety factor that it will like detect, right? So it has emergency SOS, so I can call the emergency button without having to use my phone. It also has fall detection during workout, crash detection, so if Apple Watch detects a car crash, it can call emergency services for you. And backtrack and remote setting, Apple Watch can record your route in case you get lost. Ooh, set up Apple Pay. Yes ma'am, set that hoe up. We setting up Apple Pay, baby. Imagine I go boop boop boop. Ooh, I don't even need my phone. One thing about me is I'm gonna use my Apple Pay. She's doing something. Ooh, she popped up, y'all. Okay, so now she's sparkly. Oh, she's cute. Okay, I already put it on, so we're just gonna keep it as that. So I will get back to you guys once I finish like setting it up, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts of how I like it. But right now I'm really enjoying it. I just have to get used to it. You know, it's just a little bit different. So yeah, we'll just get back to you. Hey guys, so please don't mind my voice because I am getting over a little cold. But I wanted to come back to you guys, like I said, just to share my final thought on my Apple Watch. So I did have to change the band on the Apple Watch. I feel like it's probably my fault that this happened, but whenever I would wash my hands or like underneath would get a little bit sweaty when I'm sleeping, or it just gets a little bit wet, it would leave marks on my arm, which kind of become permanent. This is like the main issues that I have with it. I don't know if you guys can see. I have little, like, it kind of hurts, a little bit sensitive. This was the first thing that really kind of threw me off, which is why I had to change the band, because I felt like the rubber was just not doing well with my skin. So we changed the band to the cute little rose gold band. It just kind of gets like that. I did feel like the battery life was depleting there, like maybe in the second week after I got it. It just wasn't lasting as long as it usually did in the beginning. Like in the beginning I could probably go about 2 days without charging it. Like after a week I had to start charging it once a day. But now it's good. So I don't know if it was maybe an update that it had, I don't know, fix it, but it's good now. I feel like there's a lot of complaints, but we're gonna do the cons before we do the pros. But also I don't believe that the activity rate, the activity, like the movements tracking is very accurate. Sometimes when I'm laying down for a few hours and I would look, it would say that I was standing for like 3 hours, and I'm like, girl, I was lying down, what you talking about? I'm literally just sitting, and it's like boom boom, you walked for the last 4 hours. I have not. The reason why I really wanted to get it was because of the sleep tracking. I find it so interesting to see how long I sleep, the details on my sleeping. I can't tell because you know, I'm just sitting there asleep, but I really like how in-depth it is. Did I actually sleep 10 hours? Hold on. Oh my god, I slept for 10 hours. Okay, see, this isn't accurate because I did not sleep from 9 a.m. to 12. Okay, so it's showing that I slept from 1:21 a.m. all the way to 8:37. Then it says I slept for another 3 hours from 9 a.m. to 12:09. Like I do nap, but like not like that. I don't wake up to my alarms, okay? I have like 5 of them set because I can't wake up to them. When this starts buzzing on my arm for me to wake up, I wake up. And I know that when I'm wearing this to bed, like I will wake up on time, especially if I'm trying to wake up early for work or something. It's fantastic. So just as the same, if there's an app, if you download an app on your phone, it will automatically go to your iPad and vice versa. I have recently gotten into hockey. A Maple Leafs fan. I just went to a Maple Leafs game the other day. Let's go, bitch, Marner! But I actually download the Maple Leafs app on my phone, and I get notifications from the app on my Apple Watch, and I love it so much. So it has an actual dedicated app, and I can watch the score and stuff like that. It just makes me so happy because if I don't have my phone, I'm not really watching the game, and I'm out and about, I can just look at my Apple Watch and it'll tell me that XYZ scored at this time. I just like it. Other than that, I want to show you guys like how I customized it, changed the band, and this band, it like clicks this little slap on, and I feel like it's more secure. In the beginning of the video I had a case on it. I had to take that case off. It wasn't allowing me to actually use my Apple Watch as seamlessly as I liked. It would see me have to click with my thumb because my nails were in the way. You had to click really hard on it. So I ended up getting a screen protector and just took off the case because I didn't really feel like it was necessary. It was cute, but it was annoying. The lock screen for my Apple Watch is just 777, which is an angel number for luck and good things coming to you, and it's just a little pink aura in the back, and at the bottom it says wonderful things are about to happen. I have the date. Today is Wednesday the 25th, 10:38 p.m. and it also has the battery life of the watch on it as well. Yeah, that was basically my final thought. Do I really think this is a necessity for me to have? No. Even though I complained a lot, do I really like the performance of it? I do. I don't regret buying it. Yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know you guys, like I said before, you guys really do enjoy my Apple videos, so I like to indulge. I like to indulge a little bit for y'all. Whatever, it's fine. My paycheck isn't hurting that much. So please leave a like and comment. Tell me what you use your Apple Watch for, what type of Apple Watch you have or are considering to get. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.